And to the custodian of dates in my country, this I have to say. To begin this letter, I will start with the address. My name is Testimony Jesito for me. I am an area I am. No matter how you pull me, I will grow to maturity. I am Majala. I am not a gossiper. But when the farm goes aflame, my flex will run on to tell the tale. I am the figures of speech, the friend you play with, and the nightmare at night. I am Odisha. Let me tell you of a story hidden behind buildings. Let me tell you a story that has been killed several times and yet Daily Times isn't carrying it. How the youth sees the country as a triangle, trying every angle but couldn't reach the right angle because the cabals refuses audience. They made the youth broke to the extent that if spirit's husband appear for dream, he go pay a bride price. Should we now dig up a grave to escape death, since the arborers are too silent to the cries of orphans and the wailing of widows? Excuse me, sir. I won't off this mic. You can roll your phone and dial any number, but let me tell you, the old swallows the great testimony. We have no space for another. Our snakes no longer eat pebbles but money. Isn't that evolution? Get me right. The pillars has fallen already. The building can't stand for long. If nothing is done, things will fall apart and we shall tell the tale of there was a country named Nigeria. Change, change, change. Like chameleons, our leaders they change. Eating both the food and the chef. Our leaders are sprinters, no wonder they run from responsibilities. We were taught minus times minus equals plus. Probably that is why our leaders uses a lie to cover a lie. It might be right. Vincent was right when he said old men sign war and assign young men to bear arms and die. Is that how the youth become leaders of tomorrow? The old are really eating their young. Second paragraph goes to the uniform Agberos, who ought to protect the people yet feeding the land with the blood of innocent citizens. The color of your clothes is the reflection of your heart, especially Mr. Sass. Suffer after a random stop. Every youth is a froster so far he wears a nice haircut and a colorful dress. Firing yet not being fired. Singing cracked melodies so far you can't grace their palm. Sass on the beat, beating the Nigerian youth to a pulp. Police is your friend. Yeah, Kazim in Ogun, Jumbo in Abuja, Icon in Oye, Tina in Lagos, Solomon in Abuja, Johnson in Lagos, Frederick in Edo. All these people can tell the tale. The list is endless. Oga Nepa, they name you Gabriel yet to never bring good news, except disappointing when needed the most. As they beg Bros J for blessing, don't forget to pray for the light for this old lady to shine again. For even hell safe gets light past this country. Miss Feminists, your stand is not noticeable because even on the sand we can't see your print. If feminism is about equality, why then do you hate men? You call yourself a feminist yet you tax guys for year time. Men has come yet NEPA no bill pass you. It is romance when a guy cook and serve his woman, but it is slavery if a wife trims her husband nails. You are also an abore, using your gender to endanger your male sex. So Miss DJ, copy these words and don't joke with it, for the future of this country also lies with you. Will you be the mother or the mother to this dream? In conclusion, dear religious leaders, this world is a treasure, so bury it in your chest. You can't play with the devil and not have a taste of blood. You dey carry religion for head yet you no really enjoying righteousness, contributing to corruption and teaching political apathy. You have religion but lack humanity, preaching against evil yet you are the incarnate of Satan waiting to be unleashed. Don't tell me to be calming down and rest small, for I have tabled your matter. You have no more space. Who are the abores? Abore are the power-hungry politicians, demagogue thug in the National Assembly, fainting ambassador, corrupt leaders, people who misuse opportunity, and anyone who detests growth and development in this or our country. Sign out.